This footage from the east-facing camera in Wolf Creek Pass, Colorado, shows an absolutely enormous, fast-rotating, crater-pocked celestial object that is very close to our planet. We know it's very close to our planet because of the detail we're able to see even through all the atmospheric chemicals. We know that this cannot possibly be a lens flare of the sun for several reasons. Perhaps the most obvious reason is its fast rotation. The cratered surface of this object makes its rotation very obvious. A lens flare of the sun is a camera-produced reflection of the sun. Thus, the lens flare has to look something like the sun. And since our sun only rotates once every 27 Earth days, the fast rotation of this object tells us that this is definitely not a lens flare of the sun. There are several other reasons why this cannot be a lens flare, but I want to keep this video as short as possible for now, so I won't go into all the other reasons. The images with contrast really bring out the rough surface of this celestial object. As I've mentioned several times in the past, I only apply the contrast to the area where it is needed, and I eliminate glare and within the contrast area, such as clouds and sun and things like that. Now, something very, very important that I want you to notice. Notice that the manufactured light, which many people mistake for the sun, passes in front of the celestial object. This is one way that we know this is not the real sun. Our real sun is behind this celestial object, nearly 93 million miles away. It would be impossible for this weather camera to actually record this celestial object behind our real sun, 93 million miles away. Nor could you see anything like this with the naked eye. Using an average camera like this weather camera, it is scientifically and physically impossible to see an object behind the sun. Thus, the circular light you are seeing in the sky cannot be the sun. On February 1st of 2020,